It's called tangent. Rockstar. To speak of tangents, infinite possibilities, I've seen more than a few of these. Conversed and formed hypotheses came full circle in epiphanies. Triad, trifecta, trinity, incarnations by infinity. Be silly, don't need sympathies. Consistently I be wandering, metaphysically straight a pondering. Duality's always been drawn to me. I fondly recall I'll never see. All the realms I visit nautically. I'm blind though light gets through to me. I find I rhyme it beautifully. Though fragments and flaws stay true to me. Gold star, kindergarten, lucidity. I truly find bliss increasingly, sporadically skipping stones in me, communally capit offer me, etc. saves my mentality. And the asterisk mark that you see represents that's within parentheses. Tenfold equals 10 of these, not love's non-comprehending. A trend, a thought, a remembering. Dimensions are old friends to me. Aneurysms, I scream, scoops, ecstasy, and embracing stoner, simplicity, and conflicting wingnut duplicity. I try to tie loose ends back into me. Futility in my vocabulary. I dare to scribe what can't be seen. Undefined divine dictionary. Sociopathic humor, yet caring. I'm tearing through verse free streaming. Dimensionally I'm undreaming. With shadow pirates unteaming. Righteous wrath smoking and drinking. While I compartmentalize my thinking. Though ships eventually end up sinking. We drift through oblivion on an inkling. Mona Lisa smiles, Jolly Rogers winking. Shred herrings inspire my thinking. ... a holy mystery. Misdirection undoes prehistory. I reflect, forget, mind resetting. Go towards and from hesitating. Appropriately ever waiting. The flaws cause the pause to be stating. The thoughts I never knew my mind was creating. I'm sure I'll recall because pretty soon, because lately, destiny I'm fating, asterisks aplenty, ... infinity, there is no end, parentheses.